Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poetress. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today I am coming on here to show you guys my ACV Rinse. I told you guys in the previous video that I was going to be doing an ACV Rinse on my channel, so that is what this video is. So the products that I am going to be using, I'll be using cups instead of tablespoons, so that's what these are. I'll be using the White House Organic Raw Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar with Mother. This is what it looks like. Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda, Real Lemon, and after that I will just go ahead and wash my hair with the Suave Professional Shampoo and also the Suave Professional Conditioner. Now when I use the conditioner, I only use like a pump of it because I don't like to use a lot of conditioner in my hair. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So as I told you guys, I'm going to be using cups. So I'm going to be using 1/8, 2 1/8 of the lemonade. I'm going to be using 1/4 of the baking soda. I'll be using a half a cup of the apple cider vinegar with Mother. Now I'm going to use a wooden spoon and kind of stir it together. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my head in for about 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and set the timer for 20 minutes. Look at how dirty that water is, bruh. Like, that's how dirty my hair is. Like, I'm very, very, surprised. Like, this basically goes to show you, like, you can wash your hair all you want, but the shit is still dirty. Like, that is crazy, bruh. Like, I'm having to do these. My goal is to do these like every couple months. Not like frequently, but like probably like every 6 months I'll do an ACV rinse. But yeah, as y'all can see, hair dirty. This is disgusting. Oh no, never again. Oh my god, no. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this out. So now that I'm done with the ACV rinse, this is what it looks like after I finish washing it with the ACV rinse. Still got like some product in there, but once I wash my hair, it'll come out. Yeah, I think I did good for my my first ACV rinse. I'm going to wash it with the Swap Professionals shampoo. Yeah, okay, so that is my ACV rinse and my wash routine. I'm just gonna kind of let my hair air dry until tomorrow. I really like the way it looks. Like, it looks really clean. It doesn't look like it has any product buildup in it or anything. Like, I washed it really good. Oh yeah, that's just from the light. That's why it looks like that. But no, it's clean. As y'all seen in the previous clip, That shit is dirty. Like, my dirty. But yeah. I feel like it was a success. I am happy about it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Alright? Just y'all.